So we're taking this 52-inch Baja fan with 5 blades and we're replacing it with 3 blade. They're carved from 20-year-old walnut trees. Just feel the aerodynamic of it, look at that. Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing, another review. Today I have something exciting, very exciting. We're gonna replace our ceiling fan. We're going with a 60-inch from a 54-inch. That's a 14-year-old fan, it's time to update. It's got built-in Wi-Fi. It has 60-inch blades, 3 blades. We're going from a 5 blade to a 3 blade because we want a little more modern look, more less cluttery look. Again, 60-inch, and we're going from 54-inch blades. So it's a little bit bigger, and it's whistling quiet from what the advertising say. It's DC. I believe our old one is AC. DC runs a little bit more quieter, uses a lot less energy, less watt. I believe that one uses about 75 watt. This one, it's stated it uses about 35 watt. So very excited. Again, 3 blades. We were looking for some with 3 blades. Now blades are made out actually natural grain wood. So it's from walnut trees that are 20 years old from the advertisement. So the blades are actually 20-year-old walnut trees. Here you go, you have the PDF files. Okay. Put this scissor on the side so I don't step on it. You got the rods, and it came with 5-inch, 10-inch, and 24-inch rods. So from the supplier, that they say that if you call them, they will send you 20 to 40-inch rod for free. So pretty cool. Of course, you got the foam. You gotta have the foam, right? Okay. Wow, look at these guys. Look at this blade. Again, this is 20-year-old walnut, craft from walnut trees, solid grain, and you can just feel it. It's a little bit heavy, it's not bad, but look how they wrapped it. Really nice, really firm. You got, here's your motor. Oh, this bad boy is heavy. You see the motor? Look at the motor on this. Nice. Again, it's AC. I'm sorry, it's DC, not AC, so it's super quiet. It's brushless motor too, guys. Brushless motor, meaning you're not gonna have that grinding sound. This old fan, when you turn it on, you can kind of hear it when it grinds. So this is brushless motor. So make sure when you upgrade your fan, get a brushless motor. And what else we have in here? We have the cover. See the cover? We have the LED lights. Look at this. You can see, very nice, guys. Very nice. Look at that. The LED has several, wow, I would say maybe almost 50 little LED lights in there. And you can have warm light, you can have cool light, so it can be adjustable, okay? Now, I know from the reviews, people say it cannot be faded, so that's the only thing. But I'm sure you can find ways around that by getting like a faded light switch, okay? Again, this is a rod. You can tilt this too, guys. So this fan can be mounted straight down still, or you can tilt it out. You also have, it's rated for commercial use, so you can put it outside in your balcony or in your patio. Here's the cover, nice. Look at the texture, very, very nice and clean. It's built-in Wi-Fi, has an app, so you can download app, you can control on your phone, sit in your living room here very comfortably, or you can use a remote control. Here we're gonna hook it up. We actually have 2 switches here for the light and for the fan, so you can hook it up to that. But very nice, guys. So this old one, we didn't have any light. We had to use a switch, and every time we need to adjust the seasonal for the, I believe it's clockwise for winter and counterclockwise for summer, we had to climb up there and hit the switch button to make it go different directions. So this is very nice. Other than that, guys, this is it. This is all it's in a box. See, that's all we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it for you guys. So we're taking this 52-inch Baja fan with 5 blades and we're replacing with 3 blades. And you can see just the comparison of the blades. It's a little bit longer, you can see out there, but we didn't want to get too much. We didn't want to get too much large fan because we didn't want to have cluttery seal. You know, like it gets overpowering. Again, this fan has already 9,660 CFM, so that's pretty powerful. And having a fan in the living room with a fireplace will help circulate air, especially in the winter. We usually have this running pretty much all day and all night so that we can circulate the hot air. It actually helps cut down the utility bills and everything when you have your fan on. So this came with a 5-inch, 10-inch, and a 15-inch. We're gonna go ahead and use the 5-inch. We want some up against the ceiling pretty much, close as possible. So this came with a receiver here, guys. So you plug these wires in here. Hopefully it can fit in the junction box, but I think it will be able to. Look at the finish on these guys. If I can get it open. They're carved from 20-year-old walnut trees. Wood grain. Very nice. Look at this. You can just feel the aerodynamic of it. Look at that. And this is only thing is this is plastic, so but I'm sure you can get glass if you want to. And voila. Give it a little push here. Nice. So here I'm gonna give you a demo here. Here's the remote control, hit the power. Again, this is a DC, it's very quiet. You can see how it, before it starts, it goes back and then, but you can't even hear it. Hear that? That's actually low speed. The old fan we had, you can actually hear it, hear the motor running. So it's kind of annoying when you're watching a movie or listening to music or whatever. Or even sleeping on a couch, you can hear it. Taking a nap or whatever, on the couch, you can hear it humming. But this one, super quiet. You can hear nothing. Now, let's check the speed out. Okay. And here it's the LED. It's telling you the speed. Well, actually, it looks like we're mid. And still, you can't hear anything. You can just hear the wind. And it almost max out. And look at that baby go. Now you can hear it. It's actually really fast. Wow. But very stable. Yeah, this is, we're actually going reverse right now, but you can turn reverse and then back to low. We like to have it on low because you can feel the air circulating. And we got a fireplace, as you've seen earlier, right here in the living room. The light, nice, very nice. You can see, super bright. And you can change the light from warm light to like blue light. Let me see how you do this here. Yeah, different color. We like the warm light because it's more like for bedtime, you know, the warm light. And then here they have a built-in, you actually do like winter. You click this and it actually goes in winter mode and then summer mode here, so it turns counterclockwise. Okay, to hook it on the app, okay, you got to download the 2-year Smart Life app. So let's download that. And of course, you got to create your account and everything. click on that Tuya. I believe that's how you pronounce it. We'd like to send you notification. We don't like notification, right? Critical alerts, yes. Log in or sign up in this case, because this is a new account, so I'm going to sign up. And let me do all that fun stuff first, and I'll jump back in here. Looks like I'm in. So it's got AI, looks like it. Now we just got to link it to our fan. So you hit the plus, I believe, add device. And then request and following location, local network, Bluetooth. Okay, look at that. Found our home, so smart. Allow, so now it's gonna, yeah, you're getting all these assets. Again, this is built from China, so you don't know what they're doing to, you know, your network and everything, but allow, loud, home data, and it's searching. You want to make sure your fan's on when it's searching. So I think this is, it runs on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and ours might be a little bit higher, so it may not pick it up. So until next unboxing, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.